ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद फिफ्थ मंत्र इन पुरुषविद ब्राह्मण, पेज नंबर 172. See the mantra. Sovet aham vav srishtirasmyaham idam sarvam asrikshiti tatah srishtirabhavat सृष्ट्यां हास्यैतास्यां भवति य एवं वेद. Prajapati said, so Avet means he got this knowledge. What was the knowledge? Aham vava srishtihi asmi. I am srishti. I am creation. Instead of thinking I am creator, he said I am creation. Srishtihi asmi. Aham hi idam sarvam asrikshi iti. And I have created all this. Aham hi idam sarvam asrikshi. Asrikshi is srij dhatu, kartari lung. Kartari lung. Avet. Avet should be late lakara. With dhatu ho late lakara. असृक्षि इति. ततः सृष्टिः अभवत्. So in this way Prajapati was called Srishtihi because he said I am Srishti, I am creation. सृष्ट्यां ह अस्य एतस्यां भवति य एवं वेद. Anybody who knows as this creation, Srishti, then he also becomes this Prajapati. Because Prajapati said, see here, Prajapati said, I am Srishti. Anybody else who says I am Srishti, he will become Prajapati in this way. In other words, if anyone has identification with the entire creation, that person is called Hiranyagarbha or that person is called Virat. So the condition is identification with Samashti, Sthula Sukshma Prapancha. See Tika. Yadyapi Manvadi Srishtirev Ukta Tathapi Sarva Srishtiruktaiva Iti Siddhavat Krityaha. Yadyapi Manvadi Srishti Eva Ukta. Only Srishti of Manu Shatarupa that is being discussed so far. But सर्वा सृष्टि ही उक्ता एव इति सिद्धवत, एज इफ द एंटायर क्रिएशन इज सेड. 10 नंबर टिप्पणी. ननु पूर्णां सृष्टिम असृष्ट्वा सृष्टिरस्मि इति सृष्टा कथम सर्वां सृष्टिम अवधारयति. Creation is not complete, only part of the creation is done. How this creator says, I am creation, I am Srishti, where only a portion of this Srishti is complete yet. Like half constructed building is there, and he said, I am this building, but it's not even complete. Iti Akshyamana Soma Agni Indradi Rupa Anugrahaka Srishti Sa api उक्ता अनुग्राह्य मनवादि सृष्टिवत. Manu Shatarupa Srishti is talked about, and then this all he became, she became Gardabhi, he became Gardaba, she became Vadava, he became Itara. All that Srishti we have seen. But Soma means Chandrama, Agni, Indra, all this Srishti, here description is not given. That is Anugrahaka Srishti. Anugrahaka means the presiding deities in all these things. You need Chandrama, Indra, Agni, etc. Anugrahaka Srishti sa api ukta. It is also said. Vakshyamana means which is going to be said here, but it is as if it is already said. Anugrahya Manvadi Srishtivat. Like Manu, etc. Srishti is also Anugrahaka Srishti. Because without that, other thing is not possible. Like that, Soma, Agni, Indra, without that, all these Pashu, etc., who has Indriya, where presiding deities are not there, that is not possible. So you have to understand Srishti as if it is already said. Ukta iti virat manyate. Ataha tam apeksha सृष्टि अस्मि इति अवधारितवान. In this way he did the निश्चय अवधारणम. इति अभिप्रेत्य उत्तर वाक्यम अवतारयति. In this way उत्तर वाक्य अवतरणम is doing. यद्यपि श्री भाष्य नाउ. स प्रजापति ही सर्वम इदम जगत सृष्ट्वा अवेत. अवेत अवगतवान. This avadhatu has lot of meanings. Ava is upasarga. Right. Here ava is upasarga. Ava upasarga purvak in gatau dhatu. No, here vid dhatu is there. Ave is vid dhatu. Late lakar. Avet, avet is in ava. So ava only. Avet is ava, and avet also is in lit. Dhatu also is there in both. Here you should take vid dhatu. Vidu jnane. Lang lakar. Lakar. Long lakar. Late lakar is also there. So this is where the like here, like no, same form will be there. Form will be same. Brahmavaidamagra asit tadatmanam eva avet. That is also late lakar only. Late lakar rupa is similar to lung lakar. Avet means avagatavan. He knew. What I wanted to tell you was, this is vidu jnane dhatu, but ava dhatu, you see how many meanings are given. रक्षण गति कांति प्रीति तृप्ति अवगम प्रवेश श्रवण स्वामी अर्थ याचन क्रिया इच्छा दीप्ति अवाप्ति आलिंगन हिंसा दान भाग वृद्धि. Ava is used in all these meanings. Jagat Srishtva Avet. He realized what? Katham aham vava ahameva srishtihi srijyata iti srishtam jagat uchyate srishtihi iti. So he understood aham vava ahameva srishtihi. I am this creation. Srishtihi, srijidhatu, I told you last time. Prashcha, prasja, srija, mrija, yaja, raja, braja, chasham, shaha. So that srija is there, srija will become srish. And then srishti. Shtunashtu. Srijyate iti srishtam. See the tika now. Avagatim prashnapurvakam vishadayati. Prashnapurvakam vishadayati. Vishadayati, what is the dhatu? Shashri Visheshane is the dhatu. Shashri Visheshane. Katham srishtihi asmi iti avadharyate. Question is raised, how Prajapati can say I am srishti? You should say I am srashta. Katham srishtihi asmi iti avadharyate. Why? Kartri kriyayoho ekatvayogat. Between karta and kriya, ekatva is not possible. Karta is different, kriya is different. Yashankya. सृज्यते इति सृष्टम जगत उच्यते सृष्टिः इति. जगत which is सृष्टम is called सृष्टि. सृज्यते इति सृष्टम जगत सृष्टिर इति उच्यते. अर्थम उक्त्वा वाक्यार्थम आह यन्मया सृष्टम जगत मत अभेदत्वात् अहमेव अस्मि. What I have created, because it is not different from me, therefore I am that. Na matto vyatirichyate. Other than me, it is not. It is not existing. It cannot exist without me. Tika. Jagat shabdat upari tat shabda tat shabdam adhyahritya aha adhyahritya ahameva tadasmi sambandha. Jagat shabdad upari tat shabdam adhyahritya. Ahameva tadasmi. Ahameva asmi. Ahameva tadasmi. Ahameva jagat. Jagat is indicated by tat shabda. That world I am. See, normally we will say aham. Aham and tat are virodhi. Aham tat. No, you cannot use that expression. But here he is identifying with that. So with aham, he is putting tat. It is like saying, I am that. but that means something other than me. Tatra hetum aha mad abhedatvat, because it is not different from me. एवकारर्थम आह न मत्तः व्यतिरिच्यते. अहम एव अस्मि. Why? Because other than me it cannot exist. मत अभेदत्वाद इति उक्तम आक्षिप्य समाधत्ते. समाधत्ते, it should be two thus. Anybody has a physical book? उस नहीं.
Yes, Swamiji.
No, but you all have new edition only. Yes, much yes. Okay, I will verify and let you know. समाधते. Okay, anyway. कुतः इत्यादिना. कुत एतत्. How this abheda is there? So he says in Bhashya. Aham hi yasmad idam sarvam jagat asrikshi srishtavan asmi. Tasmad ityartha. Since I alone have created this entire world. Aham hi yasmad idam sarvam jagat asrikshi srishtavan asmi. I have created all this. टीका नहि सृष्टम सृष्टुः अर्थांतरम तस्यैव तेन तेन मायाविवत् अवस्थानाद् इत्यर्थः. सृष्टम वस्तु जगत सृष्टुः अर्थांतरम न. सृष्टि cannot be another meaning for the srashta. तस्यैव तेन तेन मायाविवत् अवस्थानात्. But like a magician, so if a magician creates something, suddenly he takes a fruit, puts his hat on top, attention is here there for some time, suddenly he removes the hat, tree comes. What is this creation? Mayavi itself is not different from creator. Tena tena mayavivad avasthana. Because he is the upadana karanam. Here also Hiranyagarbha is the upadana karanam in this way. Tataha srishtihi ityadi vyachaste. Yasmat सृष्टिः सृष्टि शब्देन आत्मानम् एव अभ्यधात्. सृष्टि शब्देन आत्मानम् एव अभ्यधात् प्रजापतिः. ततः तस्मात् सृष्टिः अभवत्. सृष्टिनामा अभवत्. तस्मात् प्रजापतिः सृष्टिः अभवत्. सृष्टिः अभवत् means Srishtinama abhavat. He became of the name Srishtihi. Srishtir nama yasya saha Srishtinama. Abhyadhat. Abhyadhat. Dha dhatu is there. Abhi is upasarga. Dha dhatu tip. Sich. Chlehe sich. This is sutra. Chlehe sich. So sich will come in tip. and then sich will go. Look. गाति स्था घूपा भूभ्यः सिचः परस्मैपदेषु look. So its lopa will be there. First sutra is Chlehe sich 3:144. गाति भूभ्यः सिचः परस्मैपदेषु 2:477. So then what will end up remaining is adhat only. In this gati stha gu pa bhubhyah, there is no dha dhatu, but it is there. Sanyaka dhatu, there are 6. Who sanya they get? So this, I am bringing your attention to this point because many sutras, it will say gu. And you have to understand, it is a set of 6 dhatus. Dudae, dane, दान दाने, दो अवखंडने, देंग रक्षणे, दुधाय धारण पोषणयो, and dhet पाने. All these 6 dhatus will be considered having bhu sanya. Adhat shabda means all these things we went into. Avat tika. किमर्थम सृष्टुः एषा विभूतिः उपदिष्टा. For what purpose all this glory, vibhuti of or manifest creation of Prajapati are all described? So it is said in Bhashya, Srishtyam Jagati Asya Prajapatehe Etasyam Etasmin Jagati Sa Prajapativat Srashta Bhavati Swatmano Ananya Bhutasya Jagatah. Srishtyam Jagati, in the Srishti, Ha Asya Prajapatehe Etasyam Etasmin Jagati Sa Prajapati Vat Srashta Bhavati. Why all this is said? Anybody who identifies with this world, he will become Prajapati. He will become creator. Why? Swatmano Ananya Bhutasya Jagatah. Creator of what? Of this world. Which world? That which is not different from him. Swatmanah Ananya Bhutasya Jagatah Srashta Bhavati Prajapati Vat. Jagati Bhavati iti sambandha. In this Jagat he becomes. Iti sambandha. Vakyartham aha Prajapati Vat. Like Prajapati. In Tika, in Bhashya, Kaha, who will become like this? Ya evam Prajapativat yathoktam swatmano ananya bhutam jagat. Sadhyatma adibhutadi daivam jagat ahamasmi iti veda. Sa adhyatma adibhuta adidaivam jagat. This much identification is required with jagat to become Prajapati. I am adhyatma, I am adibhuta, I am adidaiva. Is this discussed anywhere in Bhagavad Gita? Sadi bhutadi daivam mam sadi yajnam cha ye viduhu prayana kale picha mam prayana kale picha mam te vidur yukta chetasah. I think something like that is the So, 8th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, because the questions are asked, Kim Tad Brahma, Kim Adhyatmam, Kim Karma Purushottama, Adhibhutam cha Kim Proktam, Adhidaivam Kim Uchyate, Adhiyagnya Katham Kotra, Dehesmin Madhusudana. You have some idea now, Bhagavad Gita, anybody recollects? Yes. The same topic is discussed in Kathopanishad in brief. In Kathopanishad, where this Hiranyagarbha is discussed as Yah Purvam Tapaso Jatam Advyah Purvam Ajayata. Then Aditir Devatamayi. So he is Adidaiva, he is Adibhuta, and then Aranyor Nihito Jata Veda, Garbha iva Subruto Garbini Bihi, Dive Diva Idyo Jagravat Bihi. So there Adiyagnya is mentioned. Anybody is recollecting any of these things? All this is there to show Brahma alone is Prajapati, who is all this Adhibhuta, Adhyatma, Hiranyagarbha, etc. It becomes Prajapati. Or if somebody has this much upasana, he is ready for with this mantra is complete. Further, Nanu Sarva Srishtir Ukta Uktancha Prajapater Vibhuti Sankirtana Phalam Kim Avashishyate Yadartham Uttaram Vakyam Iti Ashankya. Somebody said enough of Brataranyaka now. Srishti is explained. Sarva Srishti hi Ukta. Uktam ja Prajapate Vibhuti Sankirtana Phalam. Prajapati is so glorious that Sankirtana Phala is also given. What else is remaining now? We have not even started Vedanta yet, but somebody can have such question. Iti Ashankyaha Evam sa Prajapatir Jagat idam Mithunatmakam Srishtva Brahmanadi Varna Niyantrir Devataha Sisrikshu Adav. Having explained all this, Prajapatihi idam Mithunatmakam Jagat Srishtva means in the form of pairs, couple. Now, Brahmanadi Varna Niyantrir Devataha. Brahmanadi Varna, all the Jati, Niyantri Devata, in the form of Agni, etc., he created. That creation portion will be elaborated. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyat Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.